have the sympathy that Mary Moriarty has.
My name is Mary Moriarty.
Mary Moriarty.
My name is Mary Moriarty.
County Attorney Mary Moriarty.
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 County Attorney Moriarty.
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 Someone told me I don't know how to pronounce the Hennepin County Attorney's name properly. And they're right, I don't. And I'm practicing. Just so you know, I'm practicing.
Well, I've got an easy way for you to do it.
Okay.
More.
Yeah, that's what my wife said. Moriarty.
Moriarty.
Moriarty. I think you got to have the accent on the right syllable.
Moriarty.
But, so, how did he pronounce his name?
Mortensen?
No, Tina's old husband.
Gosh.
Wasn't
he
Moriarty too?
Yeah, he was Moriarty too, yeah.
Well, did we pronounce it the same way we pronounce it?
We pronounce it the way I pronounce it.
You pronounce them both the same.
Moriarty.
Brother that didn't return home.
I'm thinking of changing her name to Lessiarty because all the suspects get lesser sentences.
I like
it's
that.
Not a more, it's a lesser. That way I don't have to worry about pronouncing it right. Oh, man. I think maybe in politics, so you don't just use your Irish name to get elected to some office. Everybody should have to run as candidate 1 and candidate versus candidate 2. Right?
I've had this conversation with a few people.
Yeah.
She is doing exactly what she said she was going to do when she was campaigning. She didn't sneak in and all of a sudden surprise everybody with this.
No, but people don't pay that close attention.
Well, they should have.
Well, they didn't. They voted because the name sounded good.
The silent majority needs to be less silent.
The interesting thing is the sentences for a lot of these shooters and suspects are not being received well by the black community, right?
Yep.
And ultimately, people that live in these neighborhoods will determine the best policy and practice. And you saw, Chief O'Hara talking about it at length, the accountability for juveniles, etc. So, yeah, it's a bad cycle we're in because she and her assistant, Ms. Davis, don't believe that juvenile detention is a good alternative. So there you have it.
Ramsey can prove that to be false.
Well, there's so many reasons that juvenile detention. A, it can help a child. They have a lot of programs and treatment. But B, it definitely keeps the community safer in the meantime. So, and I think we're at the point now we just have to say that these policy differences are important to discuss.
Definitely.
And it's not really politics, it's policy differences. We're going to steer clear of the discussion on the trooper issue, but somebody's chasing somebody. The sirens. But on the issue of holding young persons accountable for violent crime, we have a huge gap in our policy perspective.
Definitely.
How do you pronounce that name?
Moriarty.
I don't know. Moriarty.
for case number, please. Case number 028402.
I don't know. Say that name. I flash back to
236
Artie on that sitcom. What was his name?
10-1, 2361, fighting response.
Up north.
Yep, 2500 block of Edgerton. Traffic stop.
Will they give him some help? It's up in Little Canada. See if he gets a 10 code 4 soon.